Makalipas ang 6 na oras na debate, tuluyan ng isinantabi ng Senado ang Articles of Impeachment na inihain ng Kamara laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Pinagbotohan ng 24 na senador ang amended motion to dismiss ni Senator Rodante Marcoleta at ginawa itong motion to archive, kung saan mayorya o nasa 19 na senador ang bumoto ng pabor, 4 ang tutol at 1 naman ang nag-abstain.
With 19 affirmative votes, 4 negative votes, 1 abstention, the motion of Senator Marcoleta as amended by Senator Joel Villanueva, adhering to the immediately executory decision rendered by the Supreme Court en banc on July 25, 2025, which among others held that the articles of impeachment are null and void ab initio, and that the Senate did not acquire jurisdiction, and to move to transfer the articles of impeachment in relation to case number 002-2011 entitled "In the Matter of the Impeachment Trial of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte" to the archives. The same is hereby approved.
Para naman kay Senate Minority Leader Tito Soto III, ang pag-archive sa Articles of Impeachment ay nangangahulugan na patay na ang impeachment case laban sa pangalawang Pangulo. Mayorya din ng mga senador ang bumoto ng tutol sa motion to table o pagsasantabi ni Soto sa motion to dismiss ni Senator Marcoleta sa impeachment case. Depensa ng senador, dapat bigyan ng sapat na panahon ang Korte Suprema sa motion for reconsideration sa pagdedeklarang unconstitutional sa Articles of Impeachment. Tahasan ding sinabi ni Soto sa kanyang mga kasamahan sa mayorya na kaawaan sana ng Diyos ang kanilang desisyon.
So I was hoping to table the motion so that we can let us afford them this opportunity for the benefit of future impeachment processes and to uphold the clear mandate of the 1987 Constitution. All we needed to do was wait a little. Always prayed I was wrong. Unfortunately, I was always right. May God have mercy on your decision.
Senate Minority Leader Tito Soto III.